Well, g'day guys, welcome to the channel. I just want to say thank you, really. I wasn't expecting the response from that video that that I got. I put up the video really just to honour my mates that were a part of it, and I've had people reaching out from all over the world, phone calls for those that know me personally, lots of messages both on the channel and through Facebook and other social media and stuff, reaching out and number one, seeing how I'm doing, but also just sharing their stories. There's a lot of mechanics and a lot of performance companies that have had horrendous things happen to them as well, and they've sort of reached out with their stories and stuff. So yeah, I don't want to go over the whole video again. Just want to say thank you for those that have reached out, for what it means. And just the one part that I want to just touch on again with the video was just about, like, if you are doing it tough, speak out. Like, don't do it alone. I've got a saying as a part of my actual real job, and that is a saying that I guess I made up from a previous role that I had years ago when I was a lifeguard. And when I was a lifeguard, in my sort of late teens, early 20s, when I was working for a gym in the fitness industry, one of the things that notice is with little kids when they jump into the water, it's nothing like you see in the movies. Actually, kids make no sound. And so the saying is, a drowning person makes no sound. And so I really want to encourage you, firstly, to look out for each other. Some people are just whingers, and they'll whinge when everything's good. They'll whinge when everything's bad, they just whinge. Others, when somebody says, you say, how you doing? They're like, oh yeah, follow up, see what "oh yeah" means. Sometimes they're not, and it's worth asking the other question. Go a bit deeper. In Australia we've got some sayings that are floating around now. It's okay not to be okay, and speak up. You're not in it alone. So make sure you do say something if things aren't working out, and if things are tough. Speak up, let someone know. And if you're the person that someone's let you know, I also want to say it's actually not your total responsibility to carry all their weight. Get some professional help. Go and get professionals. If someone's suicidal, man, call an ambulance. Like, get them looked after, because you and I, we're not trained for that sort of stuff. And I work with that sort of stuff, but I'm still not trained for that sort of stuff. That is a professional job that people need to manage and help. There are services in Australia, such as Lifeline, that you can call in those sort of circumstances as well. But there are things out there like counsellors and psychologists, and they do make a world of difference. I actually think you're a stronger man or woman if you go and get help than if you try and do it on your own and you fail. It's rather to have the courage to reach out, rather than be weak enough to think you got it on your own and then fail, and then there's catastrophic circumstances. So speak up, reach out, and do all you can to fight for your mental health and that sort of stuff. Anyway, it's become a longer rant already than what I wanted this to be. Just wanted to say thanks, and really do appreciate it. Cheers guys, catch you later.